This video is going to show you how to create a draft of a tweet and then also how to retrieve it later. It's not necessarily intuitive on mobile, so that's what we're going to do. And I am using an Android version of the Twitter app, so keep that in mind. So let's say I decide to go in and craft a tweet. So I'm going to say, hey, what's up with that thing? Oh, I can't type today or swipe. And so let's say I have that and I decide, oh, I don't want to actually tweet that. So I'm going to hit back. And Twitter's going to ask me, do you want to delete or save? So I'm going to say, I'll save that. This can be nice if you have an idea and maybe you need to switch between devices because, oh, the pictures I have are on this other device versus this device. I'm talking desktop versus mobile. So click save. Okay. So now to find your drafts, this is, and again, Android app might be a little different on iOS. So I always go to my actual profile, and then I'm going to click on the triple dots, the stack of dots on the top right. And you'll notice there's my drafts, the second option. So I'm going to click on drafts. There's the tweet I was thinking of, and now I can go ahead and tap on it and continue. But again, really handy if you need to swap between devices. You had a good idea here. You don't want to lose it. You want to save it in drafts and then access the drafts over on desktop. And I'll do another video here shortly about how to see your drafts on desktop. But that's how you do that. Let me know if you have any questions about creating drafts or anything else on Twitter, and check out our playlist about these things too. Looking forward to seeing your tweets. Bye.
I hope this was helpful. Click there to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget the bell. Also, click over there in case there's any other videos on this topic you'd like to watch. Lastly, if there's a topic you'd like me to cover in a future how-to social video, leave it in the comments. I'd be happy to create something that will save you time, make you more efficient, and be really social.